Hello everybody, welcome to the Microsoft SC-400 training. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the module about sensitivity labels. This is all about encrypting emails in this certification, and I wanted to go through all the modules if we have the time to. So please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will dive in. Before I dive in, please consider becoming a member. That will help us make more videos like this for you. And if you do learn anything from it, please share, subscribe. Until next time. So let's continue on. So we are continuing on with our training, and this video is all about creating and managing sensitivity labels. So let's go ahead. How do we do that? So first of all, security is very important. So we're going to need to go ahead and make sure that we are protecting our organization and following the best practice. So I'm going to open PowerShell. First thing, in PowerShell, we're going to go ahead and actually do something called install module MS Online. We're going to install the Microsoft module online onto our PowerShell window, and then we're going to interact with this all through PowerShell. So install module name MS Online. So hit enter. Once you do that, it will install the module. We're going to hit obviously A for all. So that is installed. Perfect. Now we're going to actually install the Microsoft SharePoint Online module. So we're going to do install module name share Microsoft online.sharepoint.powershell. So there's a lot of that, but we're going to install this. That's also done, looks like. Now we're going to connect to MSO service. Connect to MSOL service, the Microsoft Online services. And this is going to prompt us which user we want to connect under. So we're going to connect using one of the user we gave a compliance admin. And whenever we get the prompt, we will connect it. It definitely takes a long time for this module. It's actually way more time. This is too slow for even. Let me try another window. We're gonna try this again on another. Let's see, CLS. We're gonna try to see if we can connect to here again. Maybe this time it's gonna go fast. There you go. It's a lot better. It took a while, but let's come up here, connect to the user here, and then we're gonna go ahead and supply our password for whatever we've made this user password to. So the user password is set, or we connected to the user. Now we're going to get in the domain. We're going to do get MS domain, MSOL domain, and we're going to go from there. We're just storing the variable here. The variable is stored. And now we're going to go ahead and actually type in the next following variable to store that one. So it's going to be domain, and then we're going to do the domain that the SharePoint one. So that's what we're going to do. Domain URL. Oops, did it? Extra. So now we're gonna hit enter. The variable we already supply domain is equals get to MSOL domain. Now we're gonna do admin URL. That's what we're gonna do. Next, we're gonna connect to the SharePoint using that variable, and this is gonna allow us to connect using as the admin, because the other user is not a SharePoint admin; it's only compliance admin. So we're gonna want to connect to this user as an administrator, and then supply the password for this user. We're authenticated, we're good. Now that we're authenticated, we can actually run a specific command, set SPO tenant, enable API integration equals true. So we can run the API integration, and that will allow us to do that. So let's hit enter. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, we do. All right, so that's done. Now we will go ahead and actually create a sensitivity label. But before we do that, I'm going to stop this one. We're going to have to resume this one. So let's come over here. In the next video, we're going to create a sensitivity label.